Well, here's what. Fortunately, Nene rallied enough to give a toast, during which Shamari remained thoroughly toasted. But as for the rest of the event, ladies, it's time for you to spill the wedding tea. Now that you've both attended the wedding, do you really think it was worth $1,000 a person?
No.
Okay.
I mean, but it's a lifetime of memories.
It wasn't worth
though.
$1,000 a person. Candy?
Really? Okay. I mean, it was a beautiful wedding.
There was a lot
beautiful.
of press footage of Eva that was reported at the wedding. Do you think she was paid for that stuff?
I didn't know it was a lot of footage.
Do you think Eva had too many outfit changes?
It was only 2, wasn't it?
No, it was 3.
3. Oh, okay. Well, no, there's a lot of people doing it now.
Thoughts on Eva's tiara?
Oh.
Did you love it?
It was very royal.
Thoughts on Eva wearing Gucci sneakers under her dress?
Oh.
Oh, well, I thought that was smart.
Yeah.
Because, like, you know, your feet start hurting at the wedding, and you want to be able to enjoy it the whole night.
Yes.
I'm not into labels. I would have wore flip-flops.
You went right.
Yeah.
What did you think of the boho chic decor? Would you have changed anything?
Was it boho chic?
I don't know. That's how we describe
Maybe
it.
a little bit more modern.
It felt, I mean, it didn't feel like boho chic. Like, normally she dresses boho chic, but I felt like she, you know, made it a little bit more elegant.
Thank you very much, Kandi and Shamari. Now go to WWHL.tv to tell us who had the best wedding on The Real Housewives of Atlanta. Cynthia, Eva, Kandi, Kim, or Nene. Well, this is going to be a really interesting poll.
If y'all say somebody is a hate.
Really?
I had lions. I had a million dancers.
Belle Biv DeVoe.
Belle Biv DeVoe.
Yes.
That party was lit. I don't care.
Cynthia's
People
was
drank
at the
all
zoo.
night for free.
Cynthia's was at the zoo, if I recall. Kandi, looks like you won. Congratulations. Okay.
Thanks, y'all.